Okay, team. This is just a bonus video to go over sort of the big idea for days 5 through 8, just sort of an overview. So each day in 5 through 8 will follow the same theme format, which is that you'll do a mini lesson in the form of a number string, and then the kids will break into an investigation. So your number strings will follow along these, and then once you come up with a strategy from your number string, you'll add it to your chart. So your chart will eventually look like this little text box here. So on day 5, the strategies you're covering are counting up when the numbers are close together, or counting back when you're subtracting a very small number, or if the numbers are very far apart. So that's day 5. Day 6, you're going to be doing the strategy of getting to a landmark number and using big leaps or leaps of 10 or multiples of 10. And on day 7 and 8, you're going to be looking at constant differences. That's a little bit more elusive, but you'll have 2 days to sort of dig into that. Your investigations will follow this format. Day 5, really what you're spending time doing is cutting out and taping together the timelines, but the kids will ask the question, what year was I born and how old am I? Day 6, the question, you'll come in with the homework assignment, you'll have the years of each family member was born, and the question is, how old is each family member now? Day 7, you're going to answer the question, how old was each family member when I was born? And then day 8 is where it sort of all comes together, and that's sort of the air quote book that the kids are making. And for that, they have to restate their day 6 answers, how old everyone is now, and then answer the question, how many years will I, until I'm that age, and how old will that person be then? So my dad is 35 years old now. It will be 28 years until I'm that age, and my dad will be blank years old when I am 35, like my dad is now. So that's sort of the confusing part, but it's also, it matches what they did for Carlos, so shouldn't be that hard. Plus, it's also based in the context of them and their real family members, so hopefully will be easier to understand. And that basically wraps up the work for this unit. All right, moving on to next days.